Hello everyone, my name is Chris Pearson. I am a 7th-term chiropractic student here at SCU. I became a board member of Rehab to Perform simply to make a few more connections on a national scale and work alongside some hardworking people.
Hi, my name is Mabel. I'm a DC Term 6 student here at SCU, and the reason why I joined R2P was so I can gain that extra exposure on rehab and learn different techniques and methods so that we can bridge, chiropractic care and rehab exercises with treating the patients.
What's up, everyone? My name's Jared. I'm a Term 7 student and co-president of the R2P Club. I joined R2P because I wanted to be a part of a community of like-minded students and doctors who all saw the value in using active care and rehab to empower their patients to live active and healthy lifestyles.
Hi guys, my name's Tara Hall and I'm a 7th term student at SCU. I just wanted to share with you how R2P Club helped me prepare to enter clinic this term. First off, I learned numerous amounts of active care modalities for treatment on my patients. But not only that, I also was able to learn many ways to evaluate and assess a patient. And through all this, we were able to practice in person and really hone in on these skills, which has made me clinic ready. So I hope that you guys can join R2P as well.
What's going on, guys? My name's Omer. I'm a Term 7 student and the co-president of Rehab Performance. I didn't really know what to expect going in when I first joined Rehab Performance, but I can say it has positively impacted me both as a student and a coach, allowing to open my eyes to the different amount of rehab techniques that are available for you. About what R2P actually is. We're a nationwide organization spread over several different healthcare professions. We focus on bridging the gap between rehab and performance and really focus on that patient-centered, evidence-based approach to active care. Our members have been known to successfully apply treatment protocols by utilizing these rehab strategies. We have general meetings which are typically going to be student-led with hands-on learning opportunities. Some of our past examples have included focus areas on FRC, SFMA, DNS, PRI, McGill, to name a few. We also have guest speakers as well as collab events with other clubs on campus. We have seminars and workshops that we've hosted, as well as recommendations for potential seminars and workshops to increase your education. Some of our plans for this term include some of the following speakers, and we have a couple student-led opportunities which will be on FRC and FRA, as well as SFMA. If you want to stay connected with us, make sure to follow us on IG. If you want to get involved with the club, make sure to email us as well at rehabperformancela@gmail.com.